When I was little, my father was famous. He was the greatest samurai in the empire. He cut off the heads of 131 lords. He was the greatest samurai in the empire. And he took me with him.
The National Air and Space Museum. I figure any NASA shill worth his salt should make at least one pilgrimage here to this museum. And as a puppet of the global myth cabal, I got in here free, so I figured I'd make a short video about it. Plus, after all, I can't miss a chance to see the SR-71. As you know, I don't make many videos on moon landing denial anymore. Mainstream moon landing deniers have gotten pretty repetitive, and most of the arguments that they've made have been shot down either by myself or someone else here on YouTube, fairly thoroughly. Did you notice I said mainstream moon landing deniers? Because there just so happens to be a smaller, very vocal group within the moon landing denier community, and those are flat earthers. And yes, I consider flat earthers a subset of moon landing deniers because although I've met moon landing deniers that are not flat earthers, I have yet to meet a flat earther that is not a moon landing denier. I've said it before that these videos are about pointing out poor critical thinking in those that purport to be making scientific claims. And when it comes to critical thinking, flat earthers make moon landing deniers look like, well, rocket scientists. I care about the quality of scientific discussion, and the fact that such blatantly unscientific and bad thinking can be given weight by the young and unknowing is disconcerting to me. Some may think it arrogant of me, but I have the gift of gab. I have the ability to explain complex things in relatively simple terms to people. It's what I do. So I talk about flat earth today to lend a critical voice and contrast the poor thinking that is inherent in all flat earth proposals. I don't claim to have all the answers. I don't claim to be a perfect thinker, and I definitely don't claim to not have biases. But I strive to make sure that all my claims have a scientific foundation. And if you don't agree, feel free to debate. From the National Air and Space Museum, this is GreaterSapien. Take care.
That's my job! That's what I do! I don't lose! I win! Is there no one on this planet to even challenge me?
Maybe you came by to congratulate me on last night's victory.